Over here thinking he dropped it. Ciao, Nova. Good girl. I just put that little what is it? My little rear lip on the G. Here's the G. Look good. Looks really good. So that's done. I need to do my little engine cover for the G and whatever, but I'm trying to figure out what color to do and all this other stuff. So in the meantime, what was in my plans was to paint the wheels on the Beamer, because I'm trying to like switch it up. I'm trying to get away from black wheels. Y'all know my G got black wheels, my Beamer got black wheels. Yeah, we're gonna paint these wheels silver. It's gonna be quick and easy. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna keep it simple. All right, we got this bucket. I think I'm gonna use this. We're gonna hope this is enough. Alright, now we're gonna sand hers down. Her infinity sign was on hers, but she took it off. But it ain't no big deal to reglue them. Plus,
she's gonna sand mine.
Oh. So she's gonna paint this whole thing pink, and then she has and then this, we're painting this. That's on hers. What are you doing with these? So stickers, you gonna take them off and put them back on? So sweet, yeah. So we need some more coats on it. And we just sanded mines. This is what mines look like. I got the before picture. Huh? No, it's not. This is what mines look like after sanding it. Tried to get all that, what is that? I don't even know. It's like some weird texture. But these are how these fuck. It's okay, just go a little heavy right there. All right, it's not too bad. Look, once you put more layers of coat, it's gonna be okay. See, like it never happened. Go ahead. What's your update?
I think that's in the process.
That's mine. I decided to do white, so now I gotta clear it once it's done drying. I just put like some pearl in it. I don't even know if you can see it, but it got some pearl.
This needs about.
So in 30 minutes we could clear that. And then you could probably start this one finally.
Looks nice to me.
Alright, I'll show you. He's having the most issues with this, but this looks good.
The next day.
Alright. People who know about cars, look at this and tell me what is wrong. Do you see anything? Alright, Kai. Test. Tell us what's wrong. What looks off? It's something over here. What's not connected? Yeah! Alright. Let me try to go start it.
Didn't even have to do it.
And there it goes. Hey guys, you think this is the problem?
Pulling my fuses.
Cause they said it could be fused. Yeah. What is this, a tent? I should just bring the whole thing.
What, did you take a fresh shower or something?
What?
You smell like Irish Springs or something.
I'm supposed to smell like.
We got this going on. And we got this going on. Hey, she ghetto. She real ghetto. 2 self-tappers in a terminal.
I bought it like this.
We finished. I don't even know. Like, whoa, that looks so weird. Boom. Oh, this looks real good.
Thanks.
It's not the prettiest, but.
I'm talking about the prettiest. Is it gonna work? Cedric.
What the fuck?
You cut it. You didn't crimp it, you cutted it.
You didn't give me no crimpers. You gave me a cutter.
Hey, you cutted it.
Cause look, it got a broken neck. Well, this is the old one. Yeah, and we're just gonna use one of these.
Hopefully I don't cut it.
You don't want to do. You don't want to like cut more and fold it on each other so that it's for sure touching. Okay. How you in all of them? That's definitely good enough. Something's hot. I just touched something.
Wait, don't do nothing. Get her big ass.
You like this?
What?
Why you sound like that?
Need crimpers.
See, before I just yanked it a little bit. Yeah. All right, which one was it? I touched one of these and it was so hot.
The one closest to the middle.
Closest to the middle.
And then if you put it on this one, that's what
Hold
caused
on,
the wire
hold on.
to stick
Let
up.
me
But
see.
if you put it on this one,
This is different.
oh, damn! Hold on,
What's going on?
put that boy down. It was squeezing my finger between the wires in the box. I thought I was electrocuted.
Okay, you stop the video. Wait, use the new one for that one. That one's
I was just gonna use new for all, so it's all black.
me or something? Trash.
Where you going? All right. This is.
Bruh.
This man show this thing in every video. This is Cedric's G. All right, let's go over this. Finally.
Wait. This not nothing you could just do on the spot. Like,
Y'all not gonna say nothing? What's in here?
what do you mean?
Heck? You got an intake, yeah.
Yeah, I got an air intake. I got the plenum spacer. I can see the air intake. I got the oil catch can.
That we just installed.
I got headers, test pipes.
They see this all the time.
Hearing about that. Tell me.
Oh. Typical VQ or typical G owner with the gas tank in there or gas can. All right, now what is this one?
Same thing. I got tomato. Dirty tomato.
His fitment's a little bit more aggressive. GK Tech, better sponsor. Gotta be special.
What you mean?
So he got Mishimoto catch can, power steering pump is or power steering reservoir is Chase Bays. What's this one?
Coolant.
Coolant. You deleted the coolant tank? This is new?
No.
I don't remember you putting that on. When was that motor swap?
I don't know.
Since we looking at it, what is that? Upgraded throttle.
Oh yeah, this the expensive.
The expensive one.
My stuff backwards. I feel like driving.
He wants to drive one of y'all
Equinox.
cars.
Oh, I do want to hear my car. Go ahead, drive it. Don't ride on my clutch.
No, he know how to drive manual. He drove this here.
Yeah, don't ride my clutch though.
No. His
Oh,
interior.
Yeah, so shifter.
Yeah, this man got the expensive build. I don't even know the brand of that.
The best mod for the car.
What should be something normal?
Best mod. Look at that.
What mod? Oh,
Look at that. The best mod.
no.
That's cool and all, but wait till y'all see what I'm doing to mine.
Now go open your door real quick.
I'm on it.
Look at that.
That's a rare.
Yeah, I'm on it here. So. But y'all know that them G's will crush your ankles while you trying to work
Ankle,
on
they take
something.
the whole leg.
You know where my... Put it in all the way to the right.
That's not the reverse.
That's 6
You gotta push it down.
Push down and then go back.
All the way over.
All the way to the right.
Yeah, that's reverse.
Start the car. Watch my wheel on that curve.
He could go straight now. Oh, look at this big thing running.